Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 14th, and we're going to be planting our parsley seeds. I'm going to be doing a parsley Big Italy and a parsley triple curled. And parsley seeds, for quicker germination, you should actually soak your seeds. Now, my seeds were pre-chilled. I kept them in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag. And then I put them in my water. You can see here what they look like. And you should soak them for 48 hours. And you should change the water twice in between that 48-hour period. Parsley has something on the seed that can prevent it from germinating or give it a slow germination rate. So soaking the seeds just helps to speed it up. And you don't want to take your water from your that you soaked your parsley seeds in, and you don't want to dump it on your soil. You want to keep it separate. Now I actually have one here. I have some here that's already sprouting. So I'm going to show you here how to plant parsley seeds. We'll plant the triple curled first. And parsley will germinate in 14 to 21 days. And parsley is a biennial, which means it comes up the first year, it survives the winter, and then it should flower the next year so you can get your seeds off of it. So I'm just taking my parsley seeds here and I'm just pressing them into the soil. Now I'm putting more than one in a cell because I want nice full parsley. So I will show you here. And then we're just going to lightly cover it. So I'm doing 3 seeds per cell here. And you can separate them then if you want to. I'm not going to, because I want the nice full things of parsley. And I recommend that you count out your parsley seeds, because parsley is one where you don't even realize how many seeds you have when you're putting them in. So and then we will get these labeled. And the parsley triple curled, you should be able to harvest it within 40 to 60 days. And it's slow to bolting. And I really like the flavor of this one. I like the flavor of both of them. They're really good to use in your cooking, like when you do your vegetables. If you do a vegetable melody, you can put your parsley in with that, or you can put it in like your potatoes, or like if you do mashed potatoes or cooked potatoes, you can just put it right in with it, and it has a really nice flavor to the parsleys. Okay, whoops. So I'm going to cover this real quick with a light covering. I'll show you how to do that, and then I'll plant the other one. And I'll be showing you, I'll leave a link below on how I mix my seed starting mix. I had some left over from another project, so I just used it for my parsley. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to firm this down over the top because I want to make sure everything gets good contact. I'm just going to take my spray bottle here and spray across the top to make sure everything gets nice and wet. And that's how I plant my parsley seeds. So I have this one sowed with our parsley seeds. I'm going to sow the other one then, and we'll put them at our lights. And my lights are on for 14 hours a day. They're fluorescent lights. And when my parsley comes up, I will come back with another video, and I will show you what it looks like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.